have walked in light and in darkness, and I have learned that both belong to me. In the dark, I found the parts of myself the world told me to hide. In the light, I found the strength to carry them without shame. The darkness taught me to listen. The light taught me to speak. The darkness wrapped me in silence until I could hear my own heartbeat. The light revealed my power the moment I chose to see. I am not afraid of the night sky. It crowns me with stars. It covers me with silence. And it teaches me that even shadows can shine. I am not afraid of the sunlight. It exposes what hides. It dares me to stand unguarded. And it teaches me that nothing true can be destroyed. I carry both in my heart. I am light. I am dark.